okay? Be careful. You okay, Mace?
Come here, Mace. Maybe Mason needs a present.
What is that, Tatum? Is that Curious George?
Here, Wes, put this together.
Is that Curious? It's George.
Why is this like missing?
This one?
Fit his head.
This one. Here. Step on something.
Tatum, touch
Hey,
his
probably
head.
that.
Tatum,
Oh yeah, look at
Tatum,
that.
look.
Where is the instructions? Here.
You don't need instructions. It's no fun if you use instructions.
Here.
She's like, what the heck's going on?
Right in the
Touch his head. He's a little more hyper than I thought.
She likes it though.
I think so.
But I don't
She loved that Tickle Me Elmo that I got.
when he was mounted to the box, like he would stand up
Oh,
and like dance.
uh-oh.
Like,
Wes, tissue quick.
Hurry.
Hurry. Anybody got a tissue? She sneezed.
here.
Tissue. There we go.
That's wet.
Aw,
Yeah,
poor
'cause
baby.
From when I wash my hands, I dry them.
Oh, there's a dry. What do you think of the monkey? Is that Curious George? Oh, I don't like my nose. Oh, here, touch the pumpkin. Touch the monkey. Touch a monkey. He's crazy.
Are these all
Uh-oh. Do you not like him?